Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily check your riding records on the Xiaomi Electric Scooter 6 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is open up the Xiaomi Home app, and the app looks like this. Now we want to open it, and here we have the Xiaomi Electric Scooter. Now we're going to click on it, and as you guys can see, it is connecting. Now we should see our remaining mileage, current battery level, and we're gonna go to riding records right here on the main page. And here you will have your total usage time and the total mileage that you've gone with the scooter. So for example, you're going onto a 30-kilometer trip, then usage time would probably be 1 day and the total mileage will be 30 kilometers. So this is basically like the car. It also tracks your mileage, so you can try and keep it in the best condition for, let's say, when you want to sell it. So that's how you guys can check it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.